Minista muveani wa uthukumi kwa mwenenthi Justin Muturi niwamwenda Musumbi William Ruto abikie kwosa itambya na kumina syiko sya enenthi Kutekwa Nyala ila syithiitwe ikusiiwa vanthi ya Kenya. Ainena nza wa nyumba ya kusuvia miyaku ya City musini wa Ilovi itoa muikaili ala maiye kisioni cha mulongo kwatikana na kutwawa nyumbani isu. Muturi niwendekethia vasyo nzama imwanya ya kwithukisya na kumanda usungio wa syiko ithi nzama ila wenda itwa isisikalo wandani nikana uwo umanikane.
Minista wa uthukumi kwa mwenenthi Justin Muturi niwakule serikali Ongamye chonthe kila chende na kwamba kuthinikia syiko sya Kutekwa Nyara kwa amwika na kuowa kwa amwene maovisa mavolisi.
What has been described by Honorable Manzo is something quite gruesome, and I think it is only fair that at this point in time the country should shelve all other business they have to discuss this matter of abductions and extrajudicial killings. When I called the press conference on the 12th of January, I ended by saying that this matter, if left unchecked, can plunge this country into chaos and anarchy, and called for a national dialogue, or indeed a commission of inquiry to inquire into these gruesome murders.
Muturi ewetawe serikali na nda ona na ndese muvango ona umwe wa serikali ukwatite mba Kutekwa Nyara kana kuwawa kwa Akenya ni maovisa mavolisi kana extrajudicial killings.
I say the government, I'm not aware of any policy that supports abductions and extrajudicial killings, and it is not right that parents like these ones and relatives can stay for periods in excess of 40 days looking for their loved young ones, and we sit somewhere claiming that we are discussing matters about the economy of this country. Economy for who? If we are killing them, abducting and killing the young ones, so who are you doing the economy for? This matter needs to be taken with the seriousness that it deserves.
Muturi ni wameta muno kwa Akenya ala maiti amwe momoko ni matika ni manyara aiwetawe ala simike kunena na Musumbi Dr. William Ruto askumie director munene wa movia wa NIS Nordin Aji kuleta mwana wake Ikukulya Kenya ala matena utonywa kunena na Musumbi matonya kutetheka ata.
I said I was lucky that when my son was abducted I was able to reach the president, and he immediately ordered Nurdin Haji to release him, and Nurdin went ahead and released him. How about these parents and relatives who cannot reach the president? It is something that is so serious that we must shelve all other things that we are doing, because I do recall that during the campaigns we went around the country saying that abductions, extrajudicial killings would never happen at our watch, but now it is happening. It has been happening, and we are trying to normalize it as we are here mourning and grieving about these four who have gone missing. We are also aware that 2 young men were killed in Nakuru in circumstances that are very clear that those involved are security personnel.
Kavindani oka Muturi niwakule Musumbi Dr. William Ruto amine syiko ithisi ya Kutekwa Nyara undo wathanite ni kwithia sende yani siovaluchanthi ya Kenya na kumilita ya imani.
I'm calling upon everybody in government, and more so particularly because ultimately responsibility must belong to somebody. We say the buck must stop somewhere. In this case, the president is the president of the Republic of Kenya, head of government, and Commander-in-Chief of all defense forces. Therefore, Mr. President, I'm calling upon you now to order an end to these abductions, which you promised, killings, extrajudicial killings, and an open inquiry to inquire into how these things have been happening. We cannot make it normal.
Vilinge wa mauvo ni tawa Charity Chambo.